So far, I think Yellen's doing a very good job monitoring or running monetary policy. I think she inherited what's going to be a very difficult process of how do you exit and unwind the volume of QE that's gone through. I think she'll continue with the taper. I think they'll finish their purchasing program late third, early fourth quarter. I don't see a move towards starting to raise rates probably until late first, early second quarter of 2015. But I do think there's one thing that the market is not focused on, and that is the size of the Fed's balance sheet. All of the QE that they've done has built a balance sheet that's in excess of $4 trillion. Today, the Fed, or to date, the Fed has said that they're going to continue to reinvest the principal and interest on that balance sheet. And just the interest that a $4 trillion or $4.5 trillion book of bonds generates is quite significant and is stimulative in itself if they continue to roll over and reinvest the interest. Obviously, that's another tool that the Fed has to unwind or to tighten. They could choose not to roll over the interest and simply use that to pay down debt. They could use the interest payments to offset wind down of principal and again shrink the book. And ultimately, they could begin selling securities, which is really a major tightening move, which I don't think they would do. That would become a very significant issue for the market to deal with if the Fed talked about selling down their balance sheet.
All investments are subject to risk, including the possible loss of the money you invest. For more information about Skybridge Capital Multi-Advisor Hedge Fund Portfolio Series G, call 1-888-759-2730 to obtain a prospectus. Investment objectives, risks, charges, expenses, and other important information about a fund are contained in the prospectus. Read and consider it carefully before investing. This webcast is for educational purposes only. We recommend that you consult a professional advisor about your individual situation.